gentlemen, ladies, 3:30 Sunday afternoon. So many of you in attendance, and that's an absolute delight because this was not expected that we'd be carrying this out on an afternoon, and that too Sunday afternoon, because stay at home, work at home protocols have made us more busy during the weekdays. So it was expected that Sunday would be a day off, but so many of you critically tuned in to learn from the man himself, the media whiz, the sales, champion uh, who has been creating a legion of successful salespeople. He's with us this afternoon at the request of you all. Once again, welcome on Youth Talks, Animesh Bhai. It is not just a pleasure and a delight. It's an absolute monumental occasion for me to learn through you. Having known you since almost 2 decades, but not being a part of an audience where you have been coaching, I miss those days where I was a student. But today I'm going to make the most of it. Friends, Animesh Bhai, for the ones who have just joined, Animesh Bhai has been a media professional with almost 4 decades of experience. He's been a coach, a trainer. He's been a speaker, a mentor, consultant, and guide to so many people, not only students, not only the youth, but so many of them are professionals who are either CEOs. He's been consulting to a cross section of our business profiles. Animesh Bhai has been a TEDx speaker. He's been one of the most popular speakers we have had in the western part of India, and of course beyond as well. Animesh Bhai is a very unassuming gentleman, somebody who doesn't make, who doesn't have any airs about who he is or the kind of work that he has been doing the last 4 decades. He is one person I would always go to for seeking any inputs about how I do, how I need to move ahead. Today also, when I was having a conversation with him, I said, Animesh Bhai, once the talk is done and there is some energy remaining, maybe we can have a conversation today or we'll do it tomorrow. And that is for my career as well. So that's how Animesh Bhai loves to help people, open to everyone and just about anyone who wants to pick up the phone and dial his number, talk to him, never says no. The reason that we are all around today and on a topic that was much in demand. Last time when we were talking to Animesh Bhai, it was all about trainers and how can trainers do better. But then when the point of sales came in, how to do better, how to brand, that point came up, people were very, very excited and everyone wanted another session. And that another session is now. Animesh Bhai, it's been 30 days plus that we are in the lockdown. We've been understanding a lot about the new normal. We are trying our bit at figuring out what needs to be done henceforth. The era of the past, we had a lot of sales techniques that used to help us do better. We had many sales training protocols, Spin and Spanko, by the respective owners of these brands. We were told that you need to have an approach talk, you need to meet people, there's a referred lead talk, generate leads, and then make an appointment. A lot of these things, have happened with all of us. We learned that system. We also learned how to close a sale, and one of the ways to go up and instigate that person to move ahead with the close was a doorknob close. अब न डोर है न नॉब है, हम तो स्क्रीन के सामने हैं और दूसरा व्यक्ति अपनी स्क्रीन के सामने है. How exactly are we going to move ahead doing what we did earlier but in a new paradigm? Yes, people are now working feverishly designing their products, designing their service offerings. People are working to create a better presentation. But all said and done, product कितना भी अच्छा हो, जब तक उसको बेचने का तरीका हमारे पास न हो, I think we are absolutely at a loss on what can be the future. Today, earlier in the day, we were having a conversation with the Bollywood personality, Mr. Vivek Vaswani, who incidentally was the guy who launched Shah Rukh Khan into superstardom. So Vivek Vaswani was very, very categorical and he said this very clearly. There are actors and there are stars and there are superstars. Not necessarily a superstar would be able to be telling the world that I'm as good an actor as the others are. Possibly, some of the superstars might even just be 50% of a good actor. But then that's when Mr. Vasmani mentioned, guys, they know how to reach their audience. They know how to sell their product. They know how to generate income for the entire team that's been in the manufacturing of the story, production of the movie, and taking it to people. Anyways, bhai, that brings me to the basic question today. How do I sell in the days to come? And the topic today is the art and science. Again, I'm a bit at a loss कि ये आर्ट है या साइंस है या दोनों है या क्या समझे इसके लिए, क्योंकि at the end of it मुझे बेचना है, मुझे मेरा काम करना है, मेरे पास रास्ता अगर बंद है तो मैं कैसे खोलूंगा? Over to you, sir.
So thank you very much. This is the best part of the program, and that is Himadri's introduction. After that, it is all second grade, because what Himadri says is so nice and flowery. I think everybody feels very good. What happens after that is yet to be seen. When Himadri asked me that what is the title of this whole program, we should keep selling skills. I said selling skills likhega na to koi nahi aayega. Upon art and science of selling likhte hain, so then people will feel I'm not a salesman, but art and science, let's try to understand it. It'll make a little bit more sense to understand that. So that's the reason why the topic was put up. Whether it is an art or whether it is a science, you guys decide at the end of this particular session. Maybe I can also pitch in and we can have a brainstorming session whether it is an art and science. Okay, having said that, let me tell you something else. You have a kitchen at your place, I have a kitchen at my place, we all have kitchens at our place, and let us assume that all of us have the same things available in the kitchen. But if I were to cook, I will bring up a dish of a particular kind, quality, taste. If you were to cook, you will come up with a particular kind, quality, taste. All of them can be very good, but all of them can be very different as well. So what I am proposing to do right now is that I'm going to fill up all our kitchens with the same ingredients. Some things which are basic as far as behavior is concerned, some things which are basic as far as understanding is concerned. If we all have that, then I'm not saying that my dish is going to be better than your dish. You can make a different dish from that ingredient and it can be wonderful. I can make a different dish from that and it would be wonderful. Or somebody can make a very bad dish on a particular day because they were not very in the mood to make that dish. So I am not going to be telling you what to do. I am not going to tell you that this is exactly how it should be done. I'm not going to say that this is the only way to do it. I'm going to talk about something very simple, straightforward, basic behavior and how people respond when they respond the way they respond. That's what I'm going to talk about. And let's hope the way I plan to do it, you guys enjoy it. And I pray very hard that you find that there is some value at the end of this particular whole session. If it is, I'll be very grateful to God. If it is not, I will ask for your forgiveness. Madhuri, I would like to see people's names or something so that if I ask a question, I can tell names and do that. If somebody raises a hand, I would suggest you take care of that and tell me that so-and-so has raised hand. But otherwise,
Rupesh Shinde, who's raised his hand. So
okay, so there's already a question. Okay.
I want us to get into that conversation bit right on.
I would like that. Keep them on mute. Keep them on mute, but keep them on the conversation because I'm also not used to this new normal of speaking to cameras. I'm neither a star nor an actor nor a superstar.
जो कर सकता है वो कर लेता है, जो नहीं कर सकता है वो वक्ता बन जाता है, ऐसा हम अपने लिए बोलते थे. कर भी ले चुके हो, आप वक्ता भी बन गए हो. You are actually what we say a kingmaker. So do we take questions right away?
Yeah, okay. There are two people who've put it. I would like to see people. I like to see names at least, if not the faces. I'm okay. This is good. So yes, somebody is asking a question. What do I do? Do I need to do something or you will do it, Himadri?
Having Mr. Rupesh Shinde, if he wants to ask a question, I'll just put an unmute mode. Rupesh ji, go ahead, ask your question. He's from Indie Delights.
Okay, fair enough. We will not waste too much time on introductions because I'm told that we just have about an hour, and but I don't. If you can extend it, I'll be very happy if it is required. If people, so it's okay. I think it will take an hour and then question answers.
So,
anybody wants to ask anything right now, or should I continue?
No, you can take on.
Okay, fair enough. So I want to ask a question right away first to some of the participants, and they can raise hands and they can answer. That supposing I am very much aware that I'm talking to majority of the people who are learning facilitators anyways, but I would like a few people to respond to this. That if you were to help somebody buy, whether it is your product, whether it is your idea, whether it is your thought, whatever it is, if you were to help somebody accept your point of view, accept your product, or accept your idea, how do you go about it right now is my question. I'd like 2-3 responses.
Folks, what you can do is you can quickly enter, on the chat box, you can write your answers and...
No, let it be live. Now let people speak. Just unmute a few people. Whoever raises their hands, unmute them.
So Rupesh Shinde, you are,
So Rupesh, yes, answer.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, yes.
Sir, actually, my point was how to do now the action which has been taken from because of coronavirus. It has been stopped because
okay. Time out.
Yeah, okay.
What I have said, I have already said. What I'm going to be doing is that let me go through the whole thing. Once we've gone through it, if you have this question again, please ask me. Right now, answer the questions I'm asking. Let not this be an interview or this. I'm going to be saying some things as far as behavior is concerned and how to go about handling the art and science of selling. That's what I'm planning to do. Once that is over, if you have something to say, the same question, please ask at that time.
All right.
If you don't mind. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now, my question is that if you were to put across your point of view, your thought, your idea, your product, how do you go about doing it today? What do you do? Is my question.
Dharmendra Bhai is an English language coach. Dharmendra Bhai.
Yes, sir. Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah, I would like to give part of the content free so that people are interested, and after that they might ask for more. That would be the strategy.
Come again, I didn't hear you properly.
I would give the part of my content free as a teaser, and if people are interested, then they might go for it.
Fair enough. I accept that. I'm not saying no to that. What I'm asking is right now that if you were to help somebody accept your point of view, your thought, or buy your product, how do you go about doing that right now? Anybody else? Even Himadri, if you want to answer, you go ahead.
I would give people a sampling of my services and allow them to check out how good I am. You like me? Buy me.
Great. What else? Anybody else would like to try? I want 2-3 answers. I would like people to quickly answer so that raise your hands so Himadri can control this.
प्रश्न बहुत सिंपल है कि अगर आज आप अपने सर्विसेज या प्रोडक्ट्स लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हैं आज तक या आज पहुंचाना चाहेंगे तो किस तरह से पहुंचाएंगे? Bhavesh Vora wants to answer. Bhavesh, you can actually do it, and there you are.
Yeah. Hi. Good afternoon, Himadri. Good afternoon, Animesh Bhai.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, definitely. I will try to position myself on the social media. Whatever mediums are available, I will try to be there and try to find out the right kind of audience for me on that social media to put away my thoughts on that platform. So
okay, fair enough. So okay, let's come to the social media later on. What were you doing up till now? Let's talk about that.
Nice.
What were you doing up till now? અત્યાર સુધી કેવી રીતે કરતા હતા?
So definitely through referrals, we used to go and pitch to our clients.
The pitch માં શું કરતા હતા? What were you pitching? How were you doing it?
So if I talk about my product, it's a product for architects. So I used to go meet them. I used to talk about my company. Then used to talk about the product that will interest them more. In a way where they find a kind of, it's a unique buying point that we always talk about rather than USP. So rather than talking more about our products, we used to talk more on what benefits our end clients will get out of using our product.
Brilliant. I think, does anybody else want to answer or should I continue?
We have one question
Thank you, Himadri. Thank you.
she wants to ask.
Yes, please. I would just like to make a point that the more number of people answer, irrespective of whether you are right or wrong, doesn't matter. But every question that I ask, if there are 3-4 people who answer it, it will become more interesting, because it is important to know the right answer. It is also important to know the wrong answer. So let a few answers come in, then I will take it further. It will become clearer in the head. Yes, Himadri, who's speaking?
आपको जवाब देना है?
Hello.
Yes, Nimisha, go ahead.
Yeah, maybe I would prefer some social media for now, because that is
What were you doing in the past? Forget about now.
past. I was meeting with people in person, and I was in touch personally with them, so that I can show my work to them in person, because I prefer that.
Okay. And when you were showing them, what would you tell them?
Exactly, about my work, about my, because I believe that अगर सामने देखते हैं या सामने पर्सनल मीटिंग होता है तो उसका एक कम्युनिकेशन डिफरेंट होता है.
I agree. मगर कहते क्या थे?
About my product?
Yes. बेचते कैसे थे?
Actually, I am basically an artist, so maybe my art was speaking more than my words.
Fair enough. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so like the gentleman before you, Nimisha, he said that I would like to show benefits. I totally agree. Yes, Himadri.
सेकंड, लोगों का ऐसा कहना है कि थोड़ा हिंदी बोल सकते हैं तो
पक्का. I will speak in English, Hindi both. So ठीक है, I understand that. जैसे पहले किसी ने बताया वैसे कि भाई it is very important कि benefit सामने वाले को होना चाहिए. तो ये चीज एकदम तय है और ये चीज एकदम सीधी सादी है कि जो भी लोग खरीदते हैं और जो भी खरीदते हैं वो हमेशा उनको कुछ फायदा दिखता है, इसीलिए खरीदते हैं. They buy, everybody buys whatever they buy because they see a benefit in it. There is no doubts about that. Research has proven beyond doubt that people buy what they buy because they see some benefit in it. So therefore it becomes imperative, it becomes very, very essential that we understand what is the meaning of benefit. But before we understand the meaning of benefit, another very important factor is to understand that every product has got 3 things. It has got features, it's got advantages, and it's got benefits. Okay, every product. And everybody buys what they buy because they see benefit in it. So, but to understand benefit, it is extremely important to understand features and advantage. And it is also important to understand that when you talk features, how do people respond? When you talk advantages, how do people respond? And how to go about talking about benefits. This is very, very important. So my first question once again is that what are features? So let's not talk social media, let's not technology, we're not talking all of that. Let's get to bottom basic fundas of life. What do you mean by features? So we have features, we've got advantages, and we've got benefits. What do you mean by features of a product?
अनिमेश भाई का प्रश्न है कि
फीचर्स माने क्या? एक कोई प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स होते हैं, उसको क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट उसका मतलब क्या? प्लीज just unclick people, make them unmute or whatever and answer.
So अनिमेश भाई का जवाब देना चाहते हैं, you can raise your hands. प्रश्न बहुत सिंपल है. आपके पास एक प्रोडक्ट है, उसके बारे में आप लोगों के पास जब बात करते हैं तो उसके फीचर, एडवांटेज, बेनिफिट्स हैं. तो किस तरह से अपने फीचर्स और एडवांटेज की आप बात करते हैं?
नहीं. My question is, what do you mean by features of a product? So, yeah, Rupesh, you want to talk about what is features? Please tell me, Rupesh.
Yeah, sir. Sir, my products is of pizza.
Yes.
So my features are, it should be, first of all, it should be in cold storage, kept in cold storage.
What it should be is not the features. What it is the features. So what is it?
Basically it is a pizza.
Okay, so pizza has what? It is round, it is thick, it is thin crust, it is fresh, it is not fresh, it is frozen, it is not frozen, it is made from a particular kind of a maida, or it is not made from a particular kind of maida or wheat or whatever. Is that all features according to you, Rupesh?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. First class. Anybody else? What are features? What do you mean by features?
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Kalpa Prashant, I'm so glad you are here. I was hoping that you would be here. Is Kalpa there or Kalpa's husband there?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes. So what are features?
Features means what I'm providing is a pure vanilla or a top up
हिंदी बोलो.
bit of the flavor.
Okay. So come again.
Hello.
Your voice cracked. फिर से बताइए.
It's a pure vanilla or with the topping of different flavors.
Kalpa Ben, product.
Hello.
Not exactly. Features. Okay. So let me put it this way. Features of a product. Anybody else wants to
Hello.
try? Yeah,
Hello.
Jignesh, go ahead.
Yeah. Animesh bhai, namaskar.
Yes, namaskar, Jignesh. Go ahead.
Features means, according to me, features means the in-depth description of the product.
Brilliant. It is exactly said correctly. Features mane this in-depth description of a product. So if I may put it simply, anything and everything about the product that you can think about is the features of a product. A to Z about the product is the features of the product. Where it is manufactured, where is it not manufactured, who has manufactured it, what is the brand, what is the size, what is the packaging, what is the cost, what is the raw material used, where is the raw material procured from, what is the kind of machinery used for feed, everything, anything you can think about the product. Anything at all you can think about the product is the features of a product. Please understand, one word for feature is characteristics. So if I were to tell you what is characteristic of a product, that means that is the features of a product. What is features of a product? Mane characteristics of a product. Anything and everything about the product is the features of a product. I hope that is clear. If anybody has a doubt, please raise your hand so Himadri can unmute you and you can ask me.
So, anyone any doubts? If no, we can go to the next point. I guess the answer is
okay, fair enough. So now we come to the next point. Please bear with me. Features, advantages, benefits, extremely important. आप लोग ये तीन चीज एक बार क्लियरली समझ जाएंगे कि बिहेवियर कैसे होता है और ये क्या है. आपका बस इसी से आपका कम्युनिकेशन और सेलिंग एबिलिटीज इंस्टेंटली इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. ये सेशन खत्म हुआ, बाहर जाएंगे, आपका इंस्टेंटली इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन इट. ओके, सो व्हाट आर एडवांटेजेस? रेज योर हैंड, प्लीज टेल मी. Who's going to try? What do you mean by advantage?
IT Vardhman Pharma.
Yes, please. IT Vardhman Pharma. Please go ahead.
You'll have to unmute yourself, okay?
हाँ, बताइए. What do you mean by advantages of a product? And I don't want one word. Either you give me an example or you give me minimum 3 sentences to explain.
चलिए.
आप बोल रहे हो वर्धमान फार्मा जो नाम दिख रहा है वो नहीं? Okay. फिर anybody else?
Jignesh Dalal.
Yes, Jignesh Dalal. You want to try?
जैसे मेरी पल्सिस की है, प्रोडक्शन मेरा पल्सिस का है और ज्यादातर ये फूड प्रोडक्ट में ही मैं इस्तेमाल करने के लिए करता हूँ, देता हूँ. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you absolutely. So my question is, what are advantages? What do you mean by advantage?
Advantages means that I'm जैसे मैं अपनी दाल बेचने जा रहा हूँ और मैं अपने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है मेरी दाल की, जो आपने जो बताया, जो फीचर्स मैं उनको बताता हूँ, तो उसके हिसाब से उनकी प्रोडक्ट में जो भी चेंजेस आता है उसके हिसाब से वो मुझे कंपटीशन में ज्यादा बेनिफिट होता है. कॉम्पिटिटर के सामने लड़ने में मुझे ज्यादा बेनिफिट.
मैं फीचर्स नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं बेनिफिट नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. सो फीचर्स या बेनिफिट का शब्द का इस्तेमाल मत कीजिए. मुझे सिर्फ बताइए एडवांटेज क्या होता है.
एडवांटेज यही है कि मेरा जो कस्टमर बेस है वो डे बाय डे बढ़ रहा है.
No, not right.
Hello.
Anybody else wants to try?
Yes,
wants to try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, what do you think is advantage according to you?
Advantage.
So we've got somebody
Hello.
who's got a name as Thor.
Thor, okay. Please ask. Please speak.
Hello. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Go ahead. Tell me what is advantage.
Basically, we are dealing with frozen pizza. So for frozen pizza, the advantage is his shelf life of 1 year.
That's a feature. That's not an advantage.
Okay.
And
Neeraj Chandrani.
Hi, good evening. We are dealing in submersible pumps or pressure pumps, water pumps basically. And what I feel the advantage for the client is the utility of the product. So if he is buying
utility of the product is features of a product, characteristic of a product. Tell me what are advantage.
So if
what do you mean by advantage? See, just a second. If you want to give me an example, first class. Otherwise, I'm not interested in what you're selling. Just tell me what you mean by advantage.
Exactly. So the pump that he buys from me is going to lift the water from his underground tank to the overhead tank. So he does not have to manually do it. So I think that is the advantage of buying the product.
Feature of a product, not an advantage. Simple dictionary meaning सोचो feature का क्या advantage का क्या होता है. नीरज चंद्रा नहीं. Come on, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, Neeraj, tell me.
Advantage, I think, is the benefit of buying the product.
Advantage is not benefit. Feature is different, advantage is different, benefit is different. They're all three different. So tell me what are advantages. Features are characteristic of a product. What are advantages?
I'll just interject for a minute here, and I'd like to tell people, please understand what Animesh Bhai is trying to do is get you into a conversation to ensure that once the talk is over, you have the entire, we call this in sales the fabbing, and से हम शुरुआत किया करते हैं. तकलीफ हो रही है, गलत हो रहा है, बोलिए गलत, no worries.
I'm very happy that there is a lot of galat answers coming, because the more galat answers we will get, the better our understanding will be. So I'm very happy. So you are saying it. I'm grateful to all people who are speaking. Who's saying? Rupa Vasani is giving me an answer.
Yeah.
Yes, Rupa. What do you think is advantage?
Yeah, Animesh, the advantage of the product is, I mean to say कि मेरा जो product है water purifier है. तो वाटर प्यूरिफायर में कि नॉर्मल वाटर प्यूरिफायर आपको पीएच लेवल डाउन कर देता है, पर मेरा जो वाटर प्यूरिफायर है वो पीएच लेवल में से आपको पीएच लेवल डाउन करके फिर जो आपका मिनरल्स है वो निकाल देता है. पर मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट है आपका मिनरल्स पीएच लेवल डाउन करके जो मिनरल्स निकल जाते हैं वो मिनरल्स वापस दे देता है. दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ माय प्रोडक्ट.
Okay, let me clarify what you're saying. Are you saying that you are comparing with another product which is not doing that?
No, not comparing. This is the, I mean, this is the one plus point in my product.
No, I'm not asking you whether, so plus point means तो plus એટલે कि दूसरे किसी से ज्यादा होगा तभी तो plus होगा ना.
Okay.
तो अगर दूसरे से ज्यादा है इसका मतलब comparison हुआ ना.
Okay.
So आप क्या compare कर रहे हो? हाँ या ना?
While selling the product, I can say that this is the extra things in my product.
So extra means in comparison to something else. Now, how do you do extra without a comparison?
Okay, that might be comparison.
Okay. So if it is a comparison, then you are right. Advantage is comparison. Next.
Okay.
Yes, Bhavesh. Yes, Bhavesh. Go ahead.
कोई भी product.
Vivek Nathan Rangaswamy.
Yes. I am Vivek. I am a textile retailer. Yeah. I can say the advantage. When I selling a garment, I can say them, it will increase your status and face value if you buy this brand. This is advantage.
That is a feature of a product. That is not an advantage of a product, or neither is it a feature of a product. Okay. So no. Yes, who's next?
Okay. If you excuse me,
yes,
if you buy from me, you will have the value for money, genuine quality and guaranteed.
No, those are all characteristics and features of a product. Those are not advantage. Who Bhavesh is trying? Come on.
Hello.
Bhavesh, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I am Jignesh.
Yes, Jignesh, speak.
Yeah, according to me, I think what you are asking is the advantage of the product is the requirement of the buyer. The product who can fulfill the requirement of the buyer is an advantage of the product.
No. Till now, the Rupa Vasani is the only person I've said yes to. Advantage, one features, one word, characteristics. Advantage, one word, comparison. Advantage मैंने क्या? इससे इसका ज़्यादा advantage है. So it's a comparison. Either it is a disadvantage or it is an advantage. Either it is more or it is less. So whenever there is a comparison, that is the only time there can be either an advantage or a disadvantage. So the word itself gives you the meaning. Advantage is either superior or disadvantage is either inferior. So it's very simple. Features mean anything and everything about the product, and that is characteristic of a product. And advantage means a comparison with another product of the competition or another product of your own. Doesn't matter with what, but advantage is always comparison. Please remember, advantage is always comparison. Any doubts, any thoughts, any questions, ask now.
Okay, there is an input that Mr. Meghnad Jani wants to.
Yes, please ask. Please ask.
Yes, sir. Sir, what I understand from advantage of a product is if I'm giving additional discount or I'm giving a cashback or I'm giving some loyalty points, is that an advantage for a customer?
Is it in comparison to not giving?
Yeah, obviously, because
then it is advantage. Then it is advantage. Yeah. As long as it is a comparison, it is advantage. So you're right when you're saying that somebody is not giving and I am giving. Comparison, advantage, very good. So you're right in that. Anybody else?
That's about it. There are hands that have
Great.
but you know, there are people who have already asked questions.
One question, can I?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
So, sir, when you say that comparison, but if we are offering something at a, I mean, the quality of the product is not that good, and then we are offering a discount or kind of, you know, something that is that we consider it as an advantage. तो वो कैसे एडवांटेज हुआ जब अगर दूसरा कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं दे रहा है, फॉर इंस्टेंस आईफोन नहीं दे रहा है एंड सम अदर प्रोडक्ट्स आर गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट, तो वो एडवांटेज गिन सकते हैं उसको या इट हैज टू एप्पल टू एप्पल?
So advantage is very simple. मैं कह सकता हूं कि ये रहा मेरे पास आईफोन 1.5 लाख रुपए का, ये रहा मेरे पास रेडमी 15,000 रुपए का. सर ये आपको सिर्फ 15,000 में मिलेगा. ये मैं कंपेयर कर रहा हूं, हाँ कंपेयर कर रहा हूं, तो इसका मैं एडवांटेज दे रहा हूं. अगर मैं उल्टा कंपेयर करूं कि सर ये 15,000 रुपए का मगर कितना चलेगा मेरे को पता नहीं है, मगर ये जो है ये 1.5 लाख का है, बहुत बढ़िया चलेगा, ये 1.5 लाख रुपए की चीज लो, ये भी कंपैरिजन है तो एडवांटेज है. So it need not be apple to apple. It need not be apple. It can be apple to orange. Does not matter. As long as it is a comparison, then it is an advantage.
Okay. There's a last point that's going to be made by Shashi Kumar.
Okay. One more question, and then I'll move forward.
Shashi, you are on.
Hello.
Yes. Anybody ask? Shashi from Vadodara.
Yes. Basically, after sale service is also part of the advantage.
Okay, so right now when I'm talking to you about features, advantages and benefits and art and science of selling, there are two sides of it. One is post buying the product and one is pre-buying the product. Right now, whatever conversation that we are going to have it from the context of pre-buying. So when we are trying to sell, that is what I'm talking about, not after it is bought. So you are right. After sales services can also have features, can also have advantages, can also have benefits. But that's not what we are talking about. We're talking about before it is sold. I hope that answers your question. Okay, fair enough. So we've got features. Features means characteristic of a product. We've got advantages. Advantages means comparison. One word features, characteristics. One word advantage is comparison. Comparison माने advantage, characteristics माने feature. Now मजे की बात अब आएगी. बेनिफिट माने क्या? सबको पता है, पहले शब्द से सबने बता दिया कि बेनिफिट बेचने का है और सामने वाला बेनिफिट खरीदता है. तो अगर ये सबको पता है तो बेनिफिट क्या है हमें पता होना ही चाहिए. तो प्लीज अब बताइए बेनिफिट क्या है? Who's going to volunteer now?
Okay, Meghnad, go ahead.
Yeah, when we are talking about comparison, if I'm giving a particular product.
Time out. When I do this, time out. When I do this, please pause. Don't say anything. Okay. What I am not asking features now. I am not asking advantage now. And features and advantages and benefits are not the same. So please don't tell me about features now. Please don't tell me about advantages now. Tell me what are benefits. Continue, Meghnad.
Cheaper than other product.
Is that a comparison?
Yeah, it is.
Then that is an advantage. It is not benefit.
Better quality is also an.
Yes, Jignesh.
Benefits means satisfaction.
Are you telling me that after having bought the product and used it, usko benefit milega? Jignesh, yes or no?
Okay. I guess Dharmendra Bhai has a point to make.
Yes, Dharmendra Bhai.
Yeah. I think how my product will solve your problem, that will be the benefit.
You are thinking in the right direction, but that is not the right answer. But your thought is in the right direction. Hold on to that particular thought and continue thinking in that direction. Jignesh, you want to say something again?
Yeah. Now I'm here. I think audible to you.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, tell me.
Yeah. I think yes, I was telling you that benefits means the fulfilling the requirement of the customer.
Okay, very good. Anybody else?
Meera Chandrani.
How it improves the life after buying as compared to before buying the product.
So when you are using the word comparison, what does it mean?
Advantage.
So therefore, that is not the right answer. I'm asking for benefit, not advantage.
Rupesh Shinde.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, please speak.
Buy one, get two free.
Okay, fair enough. In comparison to what?
In comparison to pizza, or something like that.
Okay, in comparison to somebody who's not. Is it a comparison you are giving me?
No, benefits.
No. But if you're saying buy one, get two free, somebody else is not doing it, I'm doing it. So then it is a comparison. And if it's a comparison, it's an advantage. It is not a benefit.
Bhavesh Vora.
Yes, Bhavesh.
जो प्रोडक्ट सामने वाला ले रहा है वो लेने के बाद उसकी लाइफ इजी हो जाएगी कंसीडरिंग द यूजेज ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट.
So आप ये मुझे ये कह रहे हैं कि बेनिफिट जो है वो उसको खरीदने के बाद यूज करने के बाद मिलेगा, उसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप.
जी,
आप गलत नहीं है, आप गलत नहीं है, मगर मैं जो पूछ रहा हूं जब बेचने के पर्सपेक्टिव से पूछ रहा हूं कि जब बेचेंगे तब क्या होगा, तब बेनिफिट कैसे बताएंगे आप, या तब बेनिफिट क्या होता है, ये मैं पूछ रहा हूं.
संतोष.
हेलो.
यस संतोष, स्पीक.
जी सर, सिंगल वर्ड में अगर बोलेंगे तो बेनिफिट्स का मतलब है प्रॉफिट.
सर एक तो पहले से मैंने बोल दिया कि सिंगल वर्ड में कुछ नहीं बोलना है, एटलीस्ट 3 सेंटेंसेस में समझाना है तो मैं समझ पाऊंगा.
ओके.
सो 3 सेंटेंस में समझाइए या 2 सेंटेंस में समझाइए. और कौन बोल रहा है?
So we've got Anjali Goswami.
Yes, Anjali. Anjali
Goswami. You'll have to unmute yourself, all right?
Yes, speak Anjali.
Anjali, okay. We've got Obeda Alam Khan.
Yes, Obeda, please speak. Rupesh, speak.
Okay.
So I have spoken.
Oh, you have? Then mute yourself. Okay.
Anjali was saying something. Anjali, go ahead. All right. Okay. We've got.
Anybody else wants to try? What do you mean by benefit?
Fulfill your requirement.
Sorry?
Can I, sir?
Who's speaking?
Sir, Nishwar.
No. Speak.
It will fulfill your requirement, I can say, the benefit.
Okay, very interesting. Who else?
I am Vivekanandan Rangaswamy.
Yes, sir, understood. Who else? Does anybody else wants to tell me what is benefit? No? Okay, I will tell you what is benefit. Features mane characteristics. Advantage mane comparison. Benefit money, there are 2 people who have given me the exact answer, and Mr. Dharmendra almost gave me the exact answer. Mr. Vivekananda Rangaswamy, Vivek gave me the right answer. Whatever fulfills the explicit need of the customer is the benefit to the customer. I will repeat. Whatever fulfills the need of the customer is the benefit to the customer. So what the benefit wants out of those 100 features, like if there is one telephone, this has got an excellent camera, excellent sound system, and excellent hard disk space. Himadri wants very good sound system. I want a very good camera. And Mr. Dharmendra wants very good hard disk space. So the benefit to Mr. Dharmendra is hard disk space. For Himadri, it is camera. And for me, it is sound. So the features are 3. But each one of us want different things. So whatever I want and whatever my need is, which is getting fulfilled, is the benefit to me. Is that understood? Any questions or doubts about features, advantages, benefits? Then I will explain the behavior of it.
So I can attempt, through a small example, if I can.
Let people ask me questions first. Himadri, I'll come to you. Natitya. Okay, so let me explain again. Yeah. Anything and everything about the product is the feature of a product. Whenever you are comparing one product with another product or one feature with another feature, whenever you are comparing, that means it is a advantage. Okay, number 2. Number 3, benefit. Whatever is the customer's need, if that need is getting fulfilled, then it is the benefit to that person. Any questions? Any hands going up, Himadri? No? Okay. Now, a simple question which I hope people answer. Can you tell benefits? If you're saying yes, then tell me how. If you're saying no, then tell me why not. My question is, can you tell benefits? Don't chat answer. voice. Jignesh, tell me, can you tell benefits?
Yes, benefits may changes time to time.
From person to person, from time to time. I'm not asking that. My question is, can you tell benefits? Yes, Dharmendra ji.
I think if you've done needs analysis in advance, then we might be able to tell them that this will be the benefits.
Yeah. So if I were to ask you a simple, straightforward question, can you tell benefits? Without a corollary, what would be your answer?
No, if you have not done any analysis.
Brilliant, brilliant. That's the answer I expected. Okay, next. Who wants to tell me? Can benefits be told? Everybody agrees with the fact that benefits cannot be told? Then you are right. Benefits cannot be told because you need to find out the customer's needs. So therefore, can you find out the customer's needs without asking the questions or without finding out what they need? You cannot. So therefore, the most important thing that you need to do is find out what their needs are. And if you are fulfilling their needs, then they will buy it. Otherwise, they will not buy it. So now let me tell you the behavioral responses of people when you speak to them about the features, when you speak to them about advantages, when you speak to them about benefits. Please understand, when you talk to, this is about 14 years of research that has established all these things. Scientifically done across the countries, 14 years of research. When you, and I have not done it, and a company from UK has done it. When you talk features, and too many features, please understand the opposite person is going to ask the simple, straightforward question, how much does it cost? So if too early in the selling cycle, you are asked the price, please understand you're talking too many features. I'll repeat. If too early in the selling cycle, if somebody asks you the question, कितने का है? तो समझ लेना आप आपके प्रोडक्ट का बहुत फीचर्स बोल रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि जब फीचर्स ज्यादा बोले जाते हैं तब सामने वाले लोग भाव पूछते हैं. आपके घर में जब वो दरवाजा खटखटाता है और वो दरवाजा खोलते हैं तो किताब वाला आता है, खड़ा होके बोलना शुरू कर देता है कि ये किताब में ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये है, ऐसा है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, ये 2 दिन बाद ये किताब लॉन्च करेंगे, 2000 रुपए में मिलने वाला है, आज आप ले लो तो मैं आपको 200 रुपए में दे रहा हूं. महंगी चीज इतने सारे फीचर्स वाली आज मैं सस्ते में दे रहा हूं. अगर सस्ता है तो वे ले लेंगे, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं लेंगे. मैं सोचूंगा कि यार 2000 रुपए की चीज चलो ले लेता हूं, किसी को गिफ्ट में दे दूंगा. So therefore you will buy it. So whenever, if you have a product which is low priced in comparison to others, talk features. Otherwise never talk features. So therefore, in all probability, you all should never ever talk features unless your product is extremely low priced. Let's go to the next one, behavioral response or advantage. Please understand one thing. Human beings are habitually want to have conversations. They want to talk. They cannot keep quiet. So if I say that lockdown is a very good thing, and if you say yes, conversation ends. So therefore, if you want the conversation to continue, you will say the other side. And you will say, nahi, lockdown nahi hota na to zyada hota. देखो अमेरिका ने भी नहीं किया, जापान ने भी नहीं किया. फिर आप आपका लॉजिक देंगे, मैं मेरा लॉजिक दूंगा और हम लोग दोनों कंपेयर करेंगे एक दूसरे के लॉजिक को. इसीलिए वो एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज होगा. और हमेशा याद रखिए कि जो आप कहते हैं वो आपका खुद का हमेशा मानेंगे. आप बोलेंगे कि वो कहता था वो सही था, मगर मैं जो कहता था वो ज्यादा सही था. वो सामने वाला सोचेगा कि वो कहता था वो सही था, मगर मैं कहता था वो ज्यादा सही था. So when you're talking advantage, the opposite person will always take the competitive side. They will never take your side. So therefore, never talk advantage. It is bad to talk advantage. On the contrary, if they say that your product is good, that's the time to ask why. So that they tell you it is good and why it is good. But if they say that the competition is good, and if you make the mistake of asking that question why, then they will give you the reasons for it and they will justify it, and they will get sucked into the fact that they will believe that the competition product is better because they are saying it. So therefore, never, ever, ever, ever compare. For God's sake, don't make the mistake of comparing. If you compare, your product will, chances of your product getting sold will be very, very, very highly reduced. So therefore, what should be done? You have to derive benefits. How to derive benefits? I will try and explain to you that. Okay, a small exercise. You can see this is a blank whiteboard I have over here. This blank whiteboard I'm turning and I'm writing something over here. Okay, and I'm putting it on the wrong side so that nobody can see what I have written. I want a volunteer. I think I understand Mr. Dharmendra, and can you unmute Mr. Dharmendra?
Yes, I've done.
So everybody else is on mute. Mr. Dharmendra is, can we also see your face, Mr. Dharmendra? If possible. I mean, it's okay if you can't. But
not here.
Not possible. Okay, fair enough. Okay. So what I am going to do is, no, I think me asking for a person is wrong because people will feel that I have planned this. I want a volunteer and not Mr. Dharmendra. Take Mr. Dharmendra off. Put him on mute. Okay, because people will feel that it is a fixed.
I'll select somebody. And
no, you can't select because even then it will be considered as fixed. So somebody volunteer. I want somebody to volunteer whom I'm going to talk to. People who know how to play patta ramta avadto hoy ne, tash ramta avadto hoy ne, eva koi vyakti joye છે જેનું મોઢું I can see their face when I am. You can put your video and audio both on. Any volunteer? Is anybody volunteering?
So let me just check. Shashi from Vadodara wants to volunteer.
Okay, get Shashi from Vadodara to volunteer.
Second, you'll have to hold it. Let me get your mic unmuted. So there
who's volunteering?
You're unmuted.
Who is unmuted?
Shashi.
But can I also see their face, please?
Shashi, what?
Shashi, can you put your video on?
No, we cannot have, because he's not a panelist here. We can't have that happening.
Oh my God. Oh, okay. Fair enough. So can Shashi hear me?
Shashi? All right. I think we've lost Shashi. Anyone else?
Get somebody else. Get somebody else. Get somebody else.
Rupa Vasani.
Who?
You're unmuted. You can speak.
Who? Rupa? Can you hear me?
Rupa Vasani.
Yes.
You can hear me, Rupa? Rupa, you'll have to say yes. You'll have to unmute yourself, Rupa. Rupa, can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm hear you.
Okay,
I can hear you.
मैं भी आपको सुन सकता हूँ. I can also hear you. So Rupa, do you know how to play cards?
Bit, not much.
Fair enough. એટલે 52 પત્તા છે એવી basic તો ખબર પડે ને. Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. So Rupa, I'm going to ask you some questions and I would like you to answer these questions that I'm going to ask.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody else is supposed to keep quiet. I don't want any interference. Please pay attention to what is going on right now. I wish we could see faces, but that's okay now. So Rupa, how many cards in a pack?
52.
Very good. If you don't count jokers, there are 52 cards.
Yeah.
How many kinds of cards are there?
It is 1 to 10 numbers.
No. 4 kinds. પેલું કાળી ચરકટ લાલ ફલ્લીની વાત.
Yeah, okay.
So how many kinds of cards? 4 kinds of
4.
cards?
4,
Okay.
yeah.
Can you tell me which are the 4 kinds?
Kali, Charkat, Lal, and Falli.
Falli. Okay. So Falli, Lal, Kali ne Charkat, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Falli, Lal, Kali ne Charkat. Falli, Lal, Kali ne Charkat. So Falli, Lal, Kali ne Charkat, આ ચારમાંથી, can you tell me any 2?
It's Falli and Lal.
Okay, so you're saying hearts and clubs. In English,
Yeah.
if you were to say, you're saying hearts and clubs, right?
Yeah.
So out of hearts and clubs, these are hearts and clubs are 2. So out of hearts and clubs, can you tell me 1?
Heart.
Okay. Hearts has got how many cards?
Heart.
13 cards?
Yeah, 10 and then
1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King.
yeah, then
1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Please pay attention to this, everybody. This is going to be a breakthrough thing that is important. So 1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King. Am I right or wrong?
1 to 10.
Jack, Queen,
Jack,
and King.
Queen.
Bollo, Rani, Raja.
Yeah.
Okay. So out of 1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King, can you tell me any 6?
Any 6.
याद रहे ओके जो बहुत difficult ना करता.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 and Jack, Queen, King.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, Jack, Queen, King. First class. So out of 1, 2, 3, Jack, Queen, King, can you tell me 3?
1 King and Queen.
1 King and Queen. Very good. So out of 1 King and Queen, can you tell me any 2?
1 and queen.
Which is the other one?
Sorry?
Which is the other
One.
one?
Yeah,
One and
one.
queen. One and
One and
queen.
queen.
So
Yeah.
which is the third one?
King.
King.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
You asked me to select 2.
Yeah. So I told you out of 1 queen and king, tell me 2. Which are the 2 you're telling me?
1. Yani echo.
Echo and Rani તમે કયો છો ને મને?
હા, હા.
આ તો બીજો વધ્યું કયું?
King.
King વધ્યું. So
Yeah.
52 cards છે, 4 type છે, hearts છે. Hearts કેવી રીતે બનાવે છે આજકાલ છોકરાઓ? હું ભૂલી ગયો. કદાચ આમ હશે. I don't know. હા, this way. Nowadays I forget how kids make it. Okay, hearts છે. Hearts માં 13 પાના છે. એમાંથી આપણે eventually last એક પત્તું કયું આવ્યું?
King.
King. Rupa, are you feeling pressurized by what I'm asking you?
Not much.
Okay. Are you thinking that I'm putting a gun on your head and asking you કે તમે આમ જ જવાબ આપો, બીજા કોઈ જવાબ ના આપતા, એવું કંઈ કરી રહ્યો છો?
No.
Okay. So you're comfortable is what I'm asking you.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. So you're comfortable. So now is the time when I come and tell you, thank you very much, Rupa, for choosing the King of Hearts. Excellent choice. Good job done. I really appreciate it. And let me tell you what I wrote down over here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes. Oh my God. And Rupa, we were not fixed, no?
Yeah. But I have chosen.
Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Now is the time for you to keep quiet. Now is for the time for me to explain what happened and how that happened. Now mute Rupa and get me another volunteer. Let's take Dharmendra Bhai again, if he's available.
Yes.
Dharmendra Bhai, now I'm going to
Yes,
go
please.
and explain. I'm going to go and explain how this is done so that everybody understands. So please don't stop until I tell you to stop. And as long as I keep asking you questions, please continue answering the questions. Dharmendra Bhai,
Okay.
how many cards in a pack?
52.
Yes. How many kinds of cards?
4 kinds.
Can you tell me which are the 4?
Club,
Hearts,
hearts,
diamonds,
spades, and
clubs
diamonds.
and spades. Yeah, clubs.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds.
Clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Okay, clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. Out of clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, can you tell me any 2?
Clubs and spades.
Very good. Which are the other 2?
Hearts and diamonds.
Very good. Hearts and diamonds. So out of hearts and diamonds, can you tell me any 1?
Diamonds.
Very good. Which is the other one?
Hearts.
Okay. So hearts has got how many cards?
13.
1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King?
Yes.
So out of 1 to 10, Jack, Queen, King, tell me 6.
1, 3, 9. Jack, Queen, King.
1, 3, 9, Jack, Queen, King. Very good. 1, 3, 9,
King.
Jack, Queen, King. So out of 1, 3, 9, Jack, Queen, King, tell me 3.
Jack, Queen, and King.
Very good. Jack, Queen, and King. Out of Jack, Queen, and King, tell me any 2.
King and Queen.
Very good. King and Queen. So out of King and Queen, tell me 1.
King.
Thank you very much. Here it is. King of Hearts. Rupa, did you understand now? It was not
Yes.
you who chose the card. I chose the card, but I asked the questions in such a way that I led you to believe that you chose the card. And that's why you said, oh my God, how did you do this? It was not anything. I just asked questions in such a way that you came to the conclusion that I wanted you to come to the conclusion. Did you understand now, Rupa?
Okay.
Have you understood now? Yes or no?
Not yet. Not much.
Okay. Fair enough. Now, let me speak to Rupa again.
Okay.
Rupa, how many cards in a pack?
52.
How many kinds of cards?
4.
Tell me the 4.
Charkat, Falli, Kali,
અને લાલ.
Lal.
ચરકટ ફલી કાલી અને લાલ માંથી કોઈ પણ 2 કયો મને.
Is Lal and Falli.
લાલ અને ફલ્લી વેરી ગુડ. તમારે સેમ આન્સર દેવાની જરૂર નથી. લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ આપ્યા હતા એવી રીતે. લાલ ને ફલ્લી વેરી ગુડ. લાલ ને ફલ્લી માંથી કોઈ પણ એક કયો.
ફલી.
વેરી ગુડ. બીજું કયું છે?
લાલ.
ઓકે, લાલમાં કેટલા પત્તા છે?
13.
1 to 10 Jack Queen King?
Yes.
1 to 10 Jack Queen King માંથી કોઈ પણ 6 કયો.
1 to 6.
વેરી ગુડ. બાકી કેટલા કયા છે? 7 8 9 10 Jack Queen King?
Yes.
7 8 9 10 Jack Queen King માંથી 3 કયો.
Jack Queen King.
વેરી ગુડ. Jack Queen King. Jack Queen King માંથી કોઈ પણ 2 કયો.
Queen and King.
Very good. Queen and King. Queen and King માંથી કોઈ પણ 1 કયો.
Queen.
Which is the other one?
Jack and King.
नहीं. Queen and King માંથી કોઈ પણ 1 કયો.
Queen અને King માંથી I said Queen.
હા, તો બીજો કયો છે?
King.
તો આવી ગયા ને King પર.
Okay.
So તમે ગમે તે જવાબ આપશો તમે આના ઉપર પહોંચશો.
Okay.
સમજ પડી?
Okay.
Okay, so the point that I'm trying to make is that whatever you answer, you will come to this particular place under any circumstances. So who has chosen this card? I have chosen this card. You have not chosen this card. So in life, in selling, what you need to understand is that to derive the benefits from the other person, from all the features that you have, you need to ask questions in such a way that the conclusion they come to is what you have. And then you say that what you want is what I have, so here it is.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to ask questions in such a way that what they want is what you have. A King of Hearts મેં નક્કી કર્યું છે અને મેં એવી રીતે સવાલ પૂછ્યા કે તમને એવું લાગ્યું કે આ King of Hearts તમે સિલેક્ટ કરેલું. Actually મેં સિલેક્ટ કર્યું. તમે કહેશો કે King of Hearts એટલે હું કહીશ આર્યું King of Hearts મારી પાસે છે. એવી રીતે હું કેટલા બધા જુદા વસ્તુઓ તમારા ફીચર્સ ને તમને જોઈએ છે એ ક્રિએટ કરીશ અને તમે એને એક્સેપ્ટ કરશો. So that is why it is called the right questioning techniques. સેલિંગ ની અંદર સાયન્સ એ જ છે કે કઈ રીતે સવાલ પૂછવા અને આર્ટ એ છે એટલે કયા સવાલો પૂછવા એ સાયન્સ અને આર્ટ એ છે કે કેવી રીતે પૂછવા. તમને જો કેવી રીતે પૂછતા આવડવું હોય તો એ આર્ટ થઈ જાય અને તમને સામેવાળા તમારા બધા જ પ્રોડક્ટના તમને ફીચર્સ ખબર હોય, કોમ્પિટિશનના પણ બધા ફીચર્સ ખબર હોય અને તમે કેવી રીતે કયા સવાલો પૂછો છો એ તમને ખબર હોય તો એ જ સાયન્સ છે. So please remember that people buy because they see faida in it, they see benefit in it. And therefore what you need to do is you need to establish benefit in the minds of the person. And to do that, you need to ask the right questions. Features नहीं कहवाना, भाव ओछा ना होय तो. Advantage नहीं कहवाना, नहीं खरीदे advantage कहशो तो benefit કહેવાનું પણ benefit કહી ના શકાય જે મિસ્ટર ધર્મેન્દ્ર કીધું એમ કે જ્યાં સુધી તમે એના benefit શું એની need છે તમે derive ના analysis ના કરી લ્યો ત્યાં સુધી એ તમે benefit કહી ના શકો. Yes, Himadri.
Hindi. Because
okay, Hindi and not Gujarati. So okay, so therefore it is important that you derive the benefit. सामने वाले को क्या चाहिए वो आपको इस तरीके से सवाल पूछने हैं कि जो आपके पास है वही चीज उसको चाहिए. That is very important. Any questions, doubts, thoughts, including Himadri, if anybody has a doubt question.
So there is a point that people are making. क्या इसको आप कोई उदाहरण देके समझा पाएंगे? एक प्रोडक्ट या कोई सर्विस लेकर अगर हम बात करते हैं so maybe they'll be able to understand things a little better.
So let's talk about a phone which is typical. आजकल सब फोन खरीदते हैं तो मेरे पास एक डम फोन है, स्मार्टफोन नहीं है और आप मेरे पास फोन खरीदने आए हुए और मुझे आपको फोन बेचना है और मेरे को वो डम फोन जो पुराना नोकिया टाइप का आता था फोन वो वाला बेचना है और आप तो आए हैं स्मार्टफोन लेने के लिए तो मैं किस तरीके से बेचूंगा? पहले मैं पूछूंगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. अभी मैं सवाल भी पूछूंगा जवाब भी मुझे ही देना पड़ेगा इसलिए लेट मी आई एम गिविंग यू अ हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सपोजिंग आप कहे कि भाई मैं सेल्स पर्सन हूँ. अच्छा सर आप सेल्स पर्सन है मतलब आप ट्रैवल करते हो? बोला हाँ काफी ट्रैवल करता हूँ. मतलब कितने दिन ट्रैवल करते हो सर? मतलब आजकल तो करीबन वीक में 4-5 दिन तो ट्रैवल हो ही जाता है. तो सर आपके बिजनेस के अंदर आपकी नौकरी के अंदर सर आप फैमिली के साथ कनेक्ट इतना कम रहता होगा. बोला हाँ मतलब फोन पे ज्यादा रहता है. सर वो 1 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल में एक बार ऐसा होता है कि जब फैमिली को आपको कनेक्ट करना होता है ना सर, बैटरी नहीं होती। एक बार होता है सर, ज्यादा बार नहीं। वो और उसी वक्त प्रॉब्लम, मुझे याद है जब मेरी बेटी स्कूल जा रही थी तो वो गिर गई और उसी दिन सुबह मेरा बैटरी ऑफ हो गया था। मैं घर पे था, ट्रैवल भी नहीं कर रहा था और मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो गई। बेचारी मुझे फोन किए जा रही हो, मेरा फोन नहीं लगा। Eventually she had to call up her brother who also was sleeping, so she called up my wife who picked up the phone. तो बोला, पापा why didn't you pick up the phone? Why is your phone switched off? I said मेरा बैटरी खत्म हो गया। सर वो एक वक्त के लिए हम हमारा कनेक्ट छूट जाता है। सर आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको बैटरी लाइफ चाहिए। एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं होगा तो चलेगा, सब कुछ चलेगा, मगर बैटरी नहीं होना तो नहीं चलेगा। सर आप स्मार्टफोन जरूर खरीदिए, जरूरी है, मगर एक डम फोन साथ में रखने का है ना, वो 200-300 रुपए महीने का सिम कार्ड का खर्चा है ना, वर्थ इट है, ताकि आपकी फैमिली आपके साथ जब कनेक्ट करना चाहती है ना तो रह जाए। आप बताइए ये सही है कि नहीं? Now this is a question answer situation. I did it in a monologue, but this has to be in a question answer thing. So sir, is it important to be connected to your family? Sir, is it important that you need to have a good battery life? Sir, if the battery life is good, do you think you will remain in connect with it? In today's traveling world, will you be able to do this or not? So then he starts realizing, and sir, jab zarurat hoga, I was about to talk about something else, that you have to remember that when they agree to your point of view, your feature, you've got to make it a very, very big happy thing if to have it, and you've got to make it very, very big sad thing not to have it. अगर है तो आपको क्या खुशी मिलेगी और अगर नहीं है तो आपको क्या दुख मिलेगा, ये दोनों चीज एस्टैब्लिश करना बहुत जरूरी है। I will come back to the example again, but let me talk about this happiness and sadness. Remember, people do anything and everything for 2 reasons, to be happy and to avoid pain. सब लोग हर चीज इसीलिए करते हैं, खुश रहने के लिए और दुखी ना होने के लिए। यही 2 वजह होती है, सब लोग करते हैं। एक उदाहरण दूं तो, जब एक लड़का और लड़की जब प्यार करते हैं और शादी नहीं होती है तो सुसाइड कब करते हैं? ये सुसाइड तब करते हैं जब इनके दिमाग में ये तय हो जाता है कि साथ में रहेंगे तो जन्नत ही जन्नत, खुशियां खुशियां, और अगर नहीं रहेंगे तो दुख ही दुख। जब ये 2 चीज दिमाग में आ जाएगा ना, तो अगर साथ में नहीं हुए ना तो वो सुसाइड कमिट करेंगे। अगर सिर्फ ये है कि साथ में रहेंगे तो बहुत खुश रहेंगे, नहीं होंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, तो तू नहीं तो कोई और सही। ऑल्टरनेटिवली, अगर तेरे साथ नहीं रहूंगा तो दुख बहुत होगा, मगर तेरे साथ रहूंगा तो इतना कुछ सुख नहीं होगा, तो तू नहीं तो कोई और सही। मगर ये जो दोनों जब दिमाग में एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है कि तेरे साथ सुख ही सुख और तेरे बिना दुख ही दुख, तब मुझे डेस्परेटली चाहिए। ये 10,000 15,000 रुपए का फोन यही काम करता है जो आपका आईफोन 1.5 लाख रुपए का करता है। मगर 1.5 लाख रुपए का फोन खरीदते हैं लोग, क्यों? क्योंकि अच्छा लगता है, फील गुड होता है। अरे यार, कोई देखेगा कि इसके पास आईफोन है तो वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, वो सोचता है कि नहीं सोचता मुझे पता नहीं, मगर मैं सोचता हूं कि वो क्या सोचेगा, उस सोच से मैं 1.5 लाख रुपया खर्च डालता हूं। So therefore, that is what is important. What is going to give you happiness and what is going to give you pain if you have it. And if you don't have it, what is the pain that you're going to have it? So that needs to be established in the minds of the customer. The moment they agree that the feature that you have is what they want, you need to ask them that how will it help you if you have this particular characteristics, and what will happen if you don't have this characteristic. When that happens, the value of the product increases. The value of that particular desire of that particular feature increases. And then if you have all the features that he wants, then he wants you.
सर, एक हमारे ऑडियंस मेंबर है और मैं ये चाह रहा था कि उनका उदाहरण लेके या उनका एक प्रोडक्ट लेके अगर समझा सकते हैं।
हाँ, बताइए। तो
जो आपने भी बताया उसी को मैं एक शब्दों में डालने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और आप बताइए कि सही है कि गलत। उनका कौन नहीं हो पा रहा है। अब ये सॉफ्टवेयर है उनका जो वर्डलेस टाइपिंग करता है। सो बिकॉज हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर वर्डलेस टाइपिंग करता है, यू विल बी एबल टू टाइप कीवर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंसेस विद फंक्शन कीज, and what that means might be 60% savings for each time the telemarketer is trying to key in details. So the point is, because our software is wordless typing, you will be able to type in keywords with function keys, which means 60% savings in time for each telemarketer, allowing more productive selling. So इस केस में फीचर क्या हुआ? वर्डलेस टाइपिंग?
ये सब आपने जो बताया सब फीचर है.
ओके.
ओके, मगर ये सब चीज अगर मुझे चाहिए, ये सब आपने जो बताया सब फीचर्स हैं, मगर ये सब चीज जो आपने बताया वो अगर मुझे चाहिए तो वो मेरे बेनिफिट हो गए. तो हाउ वुड यू डू इट? So supposing if you are a telemarketer, I would ask you कि सर अगर आपके जो टेलीमार्केटर आपके कंपनी के अंदर जो हैं उसका आप 60% टाइम सेव कर सको तो क्या उससे कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है?
So yeah, so that is where
So he said, yeah, 60% टाइम बचा सको तो बहुत फायदा है. अच्छा, क्या फायदा है सर 60% बचा दो तो? So now he is telling me the happiness of it.
Exactly.
अच्छा सर, ये 60% नहीं बचा सके या तो फिर नहीं बचाया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है? तो he'll say कि भाई मेरा 60% स्टाफ ज्यादा रहेगा या तो मेरा सेविंग्स टाइम का ज्यादा बिगड़ेगा. So now he is telling me why he wants that 60% so badly.
Sure.
And then I tell him that I have this particular function which saves 60% of the time. And because you need it, you will want it. But if I say that, sir, ये तो 60% टाइम बचाता है, तो यार मुझे टाइम नहीं बचाना है. तू मेरे को ये बता कि तू मेरा कॉस्ट कम कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता. पर सर 60% टाइम बचाऊंगा तो कॉस्ट तो बढ़ेगा ही ना. वो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. 100 रुपए का तू मेरे को 40 रुपए में देता है कि नहीं, ये बता ना तू मेरे को. So then the negotiation goes into a tangent. So if he wants what you have, then you have the advantage of negotiating harder. Okay, so therefore this is the way to question it. And talking about negotiation, please understand one thing. आप जब इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो तो क्यों करते हो? बहुत सीधा सवाल है. आप इन्वेस्टमेंट इसीलिए करते हो क्योंकि आपको रिटर्न्स चाहिए. अगर आपको रिटर्न्स ज्यादा मिलते हैं तो आप बहुत खुश हो, और अगर लॉस में जाता है तो आप लॉस को कट करके निकलने की कोशिश करते हो. Am I right or wrong? Is this simple funda? इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो रिटर्न्स चाहिए, अच्छे रिटर्न्स चाहिए. अगर अच्छे नहीं मिले तो लॉस में जा रहे हो तो कट लॉस करके निकल जाओ. पर मतलब ये है कि अगर आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है तो आप वो उसके ऊपर ध्यान दोगे. अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, अगर आपके पास लार्सन एंड टुब्रो का शेयर नहीं है तो आप उसके प्राइस हर रोज नहीं देखोगे, और अगर है तो हर दूसरे दिन जरूर देखोगे कि मेरा कहां पहुंचा या कहां नहीं पहुंचा. That is what is investment. So what do I mean by this when I'm talking about behavior and I'm talking about how people should, what should you do? In any transaction, whenever you're talking to somebody, make the other person invest. Invest in their time. Ask them questions that they don't have answers to, and tell them that please find out this answer and give me. For example, if you're trainers, you say, sir, how many people do you have who are 32 years to 34 years old, who have children of age group 5 to 7? Sir, ये तो पता नहीं है. Sir, क्विक डिपस्टिक एक आप सर्वे करके अपन नेक्स्ट टाइम मिले ना तो मेरे को बताइएगा, मैं आपको एक जोरदार सोल्यूशन दूंगा कि इनको कैसे हैंडल करने का. Now he's got a homework to do because you're going to give them a solution. I'm just giving an arbitrary example right now. But what I'm saying is make people invest. The more they invest, more returns they will want. Most people do what with you? अच्छा proposal भेजो ना, तो आप proposal भेजते हो. बोले ये इतनी चीज लिखी ना आपने 10 चीज, इसमें से ये 2 चीज नहीं चाहिए, अब प्रपोजल भेजो. तो आप वापस दूसरा प्रपोजल 8 चीज का बनाते हो. तो बोले ये 8 का भेजा, वो 2 चीज निकाल दी ना, उसकी जगह ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है? बोला हाँ हो सकता है. उसको डिवाइस करके बना के दो. तो अगेन आपने दूसरा तीसरा प्रपोजल बनाया और बना के भेज लो. अभी आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, वो पूछ रहा है, वो तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है. और फिर जब ये इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के बाद आप बोलोगे यार इसको तो अब मैंने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया, मेरे को कुछ तो रिटर्न चाहिए, मैं भाव कम करके कट लॉस करके कुछ तो चाहिए मेरे को, इसलिए आप भाव कम कर रहे हो. और वो निगोशिएट कर रहा है. उल्टा कर दो, उसके पास इन्वेस्ट करवाओ, उसको उसके बॉस के साथ बात करवाओ, उसको उसके सबऑर्डिनेट्स के साथ बात करो, वो इतनी जरा इन्वेस्टेड हो जाएगा. फिर आप उसको सोल्यूशन दो नीड एनालिसिस करके कि ये है. और फिर जब वो भाव की बात करेगा आप बोलोगे सर ये 10 चीज में से आप एक काम करते हैं, ये 2 निकाल देते हैं तो आपका भाव हो जाएगा. बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को ये 2 चीज तो चाहिए. तो सर इतने का तो ये भाव है सर. Now he has invested, so he will want returns. So this is a very, very important thing that you need to understand, that features are characteristics, advantages are what is called comparison, and benefits is need analysis. Need analysis can happen only by asking the right kind of questions. When you find out what are their needs, and if they say these are our needs, you make them tell you why they are good, and you make them tell you why if they don't have it, the bad things are going to happen, and you make them do homework. So they do the homework to come back to tell you what is it that they're telling you, so that you can give them better solutions. So they are invested. And if they're invested, you can get a better return on your investment than them in comparison.
Magnificent. I guess that puts a lot of things in the right perspective, Animesh bhai, because fabbing is one thing which, if done well, I trust even these tough times will have a lot of solutions for all of us.
Sir, whether you're technology, whether you're talking technology, whether you're talking whatever you're talking about, this is applicable everywhere. Sir, आप Zoom में बात करो या face to face बात करो, बात तो करनी है ना. ईमेल में लिख के भेजो या चिट्ठी पोस्ट करके भेज के भेजो, बात तो करनी है ना. तो ये सब चीज सब जगह applicable होती है. Absolutely, without hesitation, this works everywhere. You have to keep this in your mind. You have to keep this in the top of your mind, and you have to keep practicing it again and again and again and again. It is very easy. If a dumb guy like me can practice it and become good at it, anybody can do it. Trust me. Trust me, anybody can do it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think I've crossed the 1 hour deadline that we had already. And before we go into the question answer sessions, and I will take the questions from people, I want to tell you something. I don't want to let this go. इतना बता दिया, 1 घंटे में बात कर दिया, question answers हुए, छोड़ दो, बस खत्म हो गया. नहीं, खत्म नहीं हुआ. I want you to become good salespersons, number 1. Number 2, I want you to become, if there are so many trainers over here, I want you to become good at training people on these techniques. Okay. So for that, I want to offer something. Have you put me on mute? No. Okay. So I would request, can you hear me, Himadri?
Yeah.
Okay. So I would request Himadri, sir, or any of you to ask for my mobile number to Himadri, sir. Please take my mobile number, send me a WhatsApp, give me reference of this particular place, give me reference of Himadri Sinha, and ask me that I want to talk to you to understand something which you have not understood, or in the future, you're trying to sell to somebody and it is not happening properly. Fix up a time with me, call me up, I will discuss it with you, and I will help you to sort it out as best as I can. I promise you that I will do that. Number 1. Number 2, if you think this is a good scientific technique, and if you are a trainer and you want to start training other people on this, unfortunately, I don't have papers to give to you, but if you want to do it, and if you want to understand it better so that you can train other people on this, please fix a time with me on a WhatsApp. Give me reference of Himadri Sinha. Fix a time with me. Talk to me. I will help you to develop the program so that you can go and talk to other people and teach people how to go about doing this. I am convinced that this is brilliant. I have used it for 20 years and it works. And this is not just it. I can go now, right now I'm talk to you from the seller's point of view. I can spend another hour talking to you about from the buyer's point of view. Okay, is that how do buyers behave and how do buyers transact the whole thing? So now you know how the sellers behave. Now you need, or what should the sellers do? Now I can tell you how the buyers, what do they do? So you help them to do that. We can take another hour session of that if that is required. But this is how it is possible to go about doing it. And it is brilliantly simple. It is brilliantly simple and it is applicable. And it is platform agnostic. So whether you are buying from Zomato, or you're buying from Amazon, or you're buying online, or you're buying real, everybody goes through features, advantages and benefits. मेरे को फायदा दिखता है तो मुझे खरीदना है. आपका काम ये है कि हर एक मीडियम के अंदर आप सामने वाले को बेनिफिट कैसे दिखाइए. ये अब समझना है और ये कोशिश करनी है. आपके प्रोडक्ट के अंदर आपको अगर पूछना है मुझे कि ये मैं कैसे करूं, मेरे पास अगर जवाब होगा तो मैं दूंगा, कोशिश करने की दूंगा.
Right.
So open up for questions, sir.
I'm going to be sharing the number on the chat box. People can take it from there.
Yes, please.
Questions. So there is a question that has come in, and that question is, what about impulse buying? How can we push that?
So if you realize that when you are going to a mall and when you are at the checkout counter, all the chocolates and the batteries and the chewing gums are kept at the cash counter where you are paying. Nobody plans to go and buy that. But when you go there, you see it, you buy it. So if you have some impulse purchases that needs to be done, you need to ensure that there is a lot of exposure. That's number one. And impulse buying will happen a lot by branding. So you buy a lot of chocolates, you buy a lot of things impulsively, clothes, whatever, because you just see it at that point of time. You see the brand, you see whether it is affordable, and you pick it up. Okay, so you will have to work on branding. You will have to work on positioning. And if you're talking about branding and positioning, I would request you to set up an appointment with Mr. Himadri Sinha, and he will help you on what is branding and what is positioning and how it can be done. I think he can do a much better job than I can do about that. I can contribute, but I think he can do a much better job of it. So for impulse purchases, I think branding, positioning is, am I right? Do you think that makes sense?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So impulse purchasing, it is more about branding and positioning.
Lot positioning. You are absolutely right. So are there any more questions that you would want to address to Animesh sir? Okay. The number is shared on the chat box. You might take it from here. And question and answer, of course, there was one question which was not quite topical, but if you think it can be taken, this is from a guy who is one of the largest pharma distributors in Karnataka in the south of India. So he put up this question, Animesh, right? And that was a very typical question. He said that somebody mentioned about giving a free service or freebies. So 1+2, free ja raha hai. If I give free on some medicine, or maybe they put in something very, very, very situational here. There is a free on iPill, 1+2 free. How do I compare? So what would be the advantage statement that I need to put up here?
So here the question is that is that person looking for cost reduction and he doesn't mind the quality and he doesn't mind anything as long as the cost is low? I want it. For example, I bought this phone which was 15,000 rupees. For me, what was important was I want a phone that works and which is less than 15,000 rupees. That was the only thing. अभी मेरे को तुम iPhone 15,000 में देता हो तो मैं ले लेगा, और तुम ये मेरे को MI 15,000 रुपए का देते हो, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मैं 15,000 के अंदर का मेरे को फोन चाहिए. I'm sorry, I haven't been out for 14 days, so that isn't corona. Okay, what is it that the person wants? Now, if he wants the status, then even if this is available for 5,000 rupees, he will not buy it. Why? Because he wants that iPhone which will make him feel good. Okay, so that's how you compete. You compete by addressing the needs of the customer. If the needs of the customer is that he wants status, then he will go for iPhone. If the customer's needs is that he wants low price, he will go for whatever is low price. So there are so many instances where you go shopping in a mall where there is a sale thing of 50%, but you don't buy it. You buy something which is full priced because you like it. You should go and buy the 50%. Na? But you also go to a lot of sales just because there is sale with an understanding कि अभी मेरे को sale का 50% off का चीज ही लेने का है, वो नहीं मिले तो मैं वापस आ जाऊंगा. So that's the market for it, and that's how you handle it. So if your question was how do I compete with somebody who's giving me 1+2 free and I'm not giving, this was the answer.
All right, so that takes us to the last bit, and I trust people have received the number well and clear. You might, it's a very rare thing, folks, having the opportunity to interact with Animesh Bhai when things are absolutely locked down, and when Animesh Bhai is of course, he's always in a giving mood, but then he's also going to be able to schedule time for you This is not something that happens so often, so frequently with most of those, big time trainers. He's a different guy, and that's one reason that we always gravitate towards Animesh Bhai each and every time.
I think there were a few questions that people had pertaining to technology and what is happening today and how do we address it and all that, which started in the beginning, कि social media करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. Right now, I see absolute total drying up of that. What happened to that? What are those? Where are those questions now? In fact, I told somebody that you asked me at the end.
So I guess those questions have completely, been taken care of through that.
Oh, brilliant. Okay.
A beautiful bit about fabbing, features, advantages, and benefits. And I'm reminded of something from the other perspective. This is the time when marathon, so the Olympic was happening and the Olympic torch being carried across various parts of the world. The marathoners keep moving in. So this torch came to Ahmedabad, and there was a team of people running behind the lead torch bearer, who was an athlete of international repute. अब वो अहमदाबाद में टॉर्च लेके वो मशाल लेके दौड़ रहा है. अहमदाबाद का एक एरिया है आस्टोडिया सर्कल पे थोड़े भजिए पकौड़े बहुत मिलते हैं. तो वो वहां पे लेके दौड़ रहा था, तो वहां पे भीड़ बहुत सारी थी. और एक उम्र वाले सज्जन जो उस एरिया के बहुत ही पॉपुलर व्यक्ति, लोग वहीं से हर एक चीज पूछा करते थे. सो बोलते ना गावनो वडील. So the elderly, gentleman, he was there. अब ये मशाल लेके जा रहे हैं, उनको कुछ समझ में तो आया नहीं. मशाल लेके जा रहा था वो बंदा, तो उसने अपने जितने भी आसपास उसके पहचान वाले लोग थे उनको कहा, भाइयों बीड़िया सलगा भी लो, नहीं तो निकल जाएगा. Guys, get your cigarettes and beedies lighted. This guy is going to move away from here. So folks, on the other side, if you want to ensure that advantages are always offered, or the benefits are being seen by people or not, you got to be very, very situational. You got to be very focused, and that's what through Animesh Bhai we keep learning so much of beautiful, small, applicable tips. Animesh Bhai, there is an absolute barrage of messages on my mobile phone, and the feed on WhatsApp is non-stop. People asking details and numbers and questions. Number मिल चुका है, and they are asking for more. I don't know हम more कब और देंगे, कब कितने बजे देंगे. But folks, I'll have a word with Animesh Bhai. I'll put up your request to Animesh Bhai once again. And जैसे कि आज ये उन्होंने किया, this is not a typical Youth Talks panel discussion or Youth Talks question answer from me. Animesh Bhai actually wanted to see to it that the benefits are driven directly to each of you, and this is what he has done today. An amazing demo on how can you ask the right question, and questioning getting you the sale happening. That was one of the biggest highlights. Folks, trust me, this is the thing that even Bill Gates in Microsoft does, because when I was a coach for Microsoft, Animesh Bhai, you might not know this, when I was a coach doing it for Microsoft, we are training workshop that we had to train every new employee on. It is known as PQ and PA, precision questioning and precision answering. And I got myself certified to do it in Redmond in the US from Vervago. It had the same questioning technique. So folks, you've got something very, very stunning from Animesh Bhai. And I'm sure आप लोग को जवाब मिल चुका होगा. ये sales and the art of selling, ये शायद art ही है या इसमें science भी जुड़ा हुआ है. जो King of Hearts लेके आए, वो art था कि science था. It's for all of you to now go and figure. Thank you so much.
So I started off by saying that I hope I find you find that the hour spent is enough value. I hope I've been able to add something, and it's been good to you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity again, Himadri. It was a pleasure talking to this wonderful group of people that you keep gathering. My best of luck. Keep doing more of this. And as I keep saying, content should be free and access should be charged. But for this group of people, I'm giving access also free for some time. So you're most welcome to give me a call, and let's get in touch and do something about this. So thank you very much.
Like मैं बोल के भी दे सकता था, लेकिन this video is going to be put up live on YouTube. तो ऐसा ना हो अनिमेश भाई को लॉकडाउन में घर से निकाल दिया जाए. He is going to be required to be well safe.
मुझे भी झाड़ू पोता करना है और बर्तन भी करना है.
Employment है, तब तक सब safe चलने वाला है. Thank you so much, Animesh bhai.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Being so generous, being so humble, and sharing so many things with our audience. We've had your team members in past employments with you. Somebody who was a part of your team 25 years earlier has also been attending this session today. So I guess this gave people reason to stay connected, update themselves. Somebody saying, I sharpened my pencil. Folks, Animesh Bhai is the sharpener that all of us need, moving further. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.
To next interaction sometime soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Folks.